You know you're getting old when a parcel arrives and you have no idea what it is? You can't remember what you ordered? Hello YouTubes, it's Mail Call Monday. Now I do actually have two parcels. I think I know what this one is. This one? No idea. Let's find out. Now, I think this is something I ordered from AliExpress like a month ago, maybe 5 weeks ago, and that's probably why I've forgotten what it is, because it does take a long time to get from on the slow boat from China. Oh, bag in a bag. Oh, wait a minute, there's another bag in a bag. Let's see what's in the little bag. And another bag in the bag. Oh, excellent. Oh, wow, I was just talking about this. This is my tiny, tiny grain of wheat LEDs. And I have got red ones and I have got white ones. Wow, they are tiny. They are going to save so much space in my LED conversions and my locos. So this then is probably something from the same company then. I ordered at the same time. Yes, now I remember. Trees. Lots of trees. I really need to get on with the scenery so I've got somewhere to put my trees. So these should be tree selections of different types. Oh, I just made a big mess. Oh well, I'm sure I could sweep that up, put it in a jar, use it for something. So we have that shape. I think there's maybe 10 of them. We have these little, they're kind of like fir trees, I'm really not sure. I might have to put a bit of dark paint over them, they're a wee bit bright. And we've got little round ones, which are kind of cute. I think that is my selection. 3 different types in that bag. And some free grass, apparently. Oh, let me sweep that up. We'll get into the other bag of trees. There's quite a lot of wastage there. Let's try not to waste it. Okay, other trees. I'm not going to empty them out this time. We have these little guys. So kind of bigger versions of the smaller ones. They're still quite small, but they're slightly bigger. We have, oh, these are kind of cute. Quite like them. Just wanted as much variation in trees as I could get. And I think there's a bigger style in here as well, which is that one. Just kind of like an oak tree, I guess. I might have to add some paint or some sort of highlighting to these. They are a wee bit plasticky looking. Not awful, and I'm sure they'll look fine from a distance. Okie dokie. Sweep that up again. Okay, let's find out what's in this mystery box, which I have no recollection of whatsoever. Oh, I need to be careful. It looks like a new box inside this. I know what this is. And guys, this is not for you. This is something for my other channel. So that's for my Scott Rod's channel. But do not fear, there is another parcel on the way, so hang tight and I'll be back when that arrives. And as if by magic, my package is here. Now, I do actually know what this is. And you're probably going to be confused when you see what it is. I've been looking for something related to this, and my friend Armand told me there's a guy on Facebook Marketplace that was selling these. So I had a look and decided I had to have them. And I will explain why once you get to see what they are. Oh dear, don't you just love packing peanuts? Let me quickly get rid of all them. There must be a use for them. Leave a comment. What would you do with these? Okay, what do I have? Well, there's 4 of them. Okay, let's start with this one. As you can see, it is a brand new Rio Grande passenger car with viewing deck, or what's it called? Dome car. It's a dome car. And it is indeed brand new. It's not even been assembled. Oh my goodness, that is so nice. Never been on a track. Okay, got a little bag of bogies or trucks with wheels, couplers. Never been out the bag. So that's one. Oh, what's this? Assembly instructions. Lovely. Okay, put that aside. Second one. Also, Rio Grande passenger train, regular. What does it say? It's just called a coach. Also brand new. Installation instructions or assembly instructions. Again, never been out the box, never assembled. Brand new. Oh, that's so nice. I think you're probably seeing a theme by now. Oh look, it's a baggage car, is it? RPO? Passenger car? I don't know. Doesn't have a lot of windows, that's why I was thinking it was a baggage car. And of course, brand new. Never seen a track. Absolutely gorgeous. And finally, we have a CN, no I'm joking, it's the tail end car, observation car this one's called. Brand spanking new. I don't know what Wilson Mesa is, Rio Grande, but you're probably wondering why on earth have I got 4 Rio Grande passenger cars? Because I'm on the hunt for a Rio Grande PA1 and PB1, whatever the second one is, the powered B unit. Quite hard to find, especially in Canada, but I'm going to keep my eyes open. But meantime, I do actually have a couple of locos that would actually look okay pulling that. And I know it's not prototypical, but let me show you what I think would look nice hauling these passenger cars. They're on my new shelves. Actually, that's my new shelves. They're on my original shelves. So I have this Santa Fe, which is awesome. It's really heavy and it will haul anything. I've also got my Union Pacific. Now, obviously, I'm only thinking of these because they're yellow, but I don't think there's anything else that would really suit pulling the Rio Grande. I mean, the chassis are yellow, but I don't really think they would work. So let's see how these look up against my brand new coaches. Interestingly enough, I think the Union Pacific is the better colour. If we're just going purely on colour. Obviously it's going to be a bit higher once it's got its wheels on. I think that looks pretty nice. And it also runs amazingly well. That's probably my best, quietest running loco I've got. Yeah, that's not quite right. It would work at a pinch. Oh, I have to assemble these. So give me a few minutes. We'll get these all built up on the track and get them hauling round the track. As you may have noticed, I required super glue. These little pins, half of them, more than half of them actually, just refused to stay in. So obviously, every time you put the coach that way, the truck would just fall out. Maybe they just shrunk over time, I don't know. Seems a bit strange that they just would not fit at all. They are new. They were in sealed bags, so a bit strange. Anyway, they still look great and I still love them, so let's get them on the track, see how they look. They look nice, right? Would look nicer with a PA1 in the front, or maybe even a F7. As long as it's real grand, I think that's all we need. As you probably saw, they're a bit wibbly wobbly, so I'm going to have to add some weight into them just to add a bit of realism. Kind of annoys me. And also they're less likely to derail if they've got a bit of weight on them. Overall, really happy. The grand price of $40 for the whole set, which I think is pretty good for a brand new set. Okay, they're probably like 100 years old, but still, new old stock. Can I whack it? Thanks for watching. See you next week or tomorrow. Bye for now.